Good morning, Earth and Fire. Good to see you all. Well, good to talk into a video screen and pretend I'm seeing you all this morning. I'm talking to you today because our homework is going to be distributed a little bit differently from now on. As you will see on my screen right here, I'm looking at your Google Classroom, and you don't see this yet, but it will be there by tomorrow. There should be a whole topic called Thursday, May 7th. It used to be that the assignment was the date, and if you clicked on the assignment, then it would have different things that you have to click on. But now I'm changing a little bit for the month of May, because when I'm asking you to do your COVID journal, then every single assignment is going to be under its own topic. So tomorrow, you will see these three things. You'll see COVID journal, Mr. Lamone's example of a COVID journal, and a point of view slideshow. So in your COVID journal, that is the actual thing that you need to do. It has a writing prompt. It says, write about one part of your week, any part that you want, using third person. Have fun. I'm asking for a paragraph minimum, which is 5 to 8 sentences. Okay? So you can click that. You'll see your COVID journal. It makes a copy for you automatically. Next, I have my own example. Now, if you click this, you don't have to turn anything in, you don't have to write anything, but this is just where you can go to look at what I am expecting from you. So it has your journal, it has your directions, and I wrote a teacher example for you, which you will be able to read. Mine is longer than 5 to 8 sentences, but it's just there because I want to show you what it looks like to use third person. Notice the first line, Jordan Lamone enjoyed a memorable Cinco de Mayo this year. That is because third person, you need to refer to yourself by your name. Okay? So I look forward to seeing that from you all. Let me move this so I can close this. And lastly, because there are 3 things, and I expect you to click on all of them just to see what they are, this is the point of view slideshow which you just went over today. Now, you don't have to do this over again. This is just for you to use in case you need to remember what the difference between first and third person is. Today you will be using third person. You don't have school tomorrow. Friday you have off. And then Monday, I'm going to be asking you to be writing a journal entry in first person. So you will get to use both. All right? But today, COVID journal, that is your assignment. Use these 2 to help you. And this is going to be the format from now on. Every topic will be its own day. Click everything under that topic. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. I will be here for you. And I will be doing parent conferences today and on Friday as well. So looking forward to seeing you and your parents in those. All right. Have a good day.